everyone. Finally, the wait is over. Jio BlackRock has launched its first active equity fund, Jio BlackRock FlexiCap Equity Fund. The NFO has opened on 23rd September and will end on 7th October. Should you invest in this NFO? There are already more than 40 funds in this category. How it is different from them? What kind of returns investors can expect? There are so many questions bothering to investors, and that's why we thought to create a video on this. Let's decode this fund and try to answer all these questions. First, let's discuss about the FlexiCap as a category. It has been one of the most active categories with total invested amount of 5 lakh crore rupees. Typically, a FlexiCap fund dynamically invests across large cap, mid cap, and small cap stocks without fixed allocation limits to any market cap. Because markets are unstatic, you need flexibility across large, mid, and small caps tuned to the cycle. Currently, the top 5 schemes basis assets under management are Parag Parikh, HDFC, Kotak, UTI and Aditya Birla Sun Life. The average annualized returns in this category are 22% over last 5 years and 15% over last 10 years. Let's focus now on how Jio BlackRock can be different from others. So at this note, let's understand more about BlackRock Aladdin, its proprietary platform. It is similar to Magic Genie that provides analytics, signals, risk frameworks, and tools to assist fund manager in investment decisions. Additionally, a core differentiator of this fund is its adoption of SAE, Systematic Active Equity, approach. Let's unpack what that means. In simple terms, it means combining inputs from fund managers and data-driven scoring methodology for stock selection and portfolio construction. Let's talk more about scoring methodology. As per information provided, this is called Signal Research Scores. There are 4 crucial factors mentioned in its key information memorandum that are impacting these scoring signals. First is valuation. This may include traditional ratios like price to earnings, PE ratio, or price to book value, PB ratio, as well as indicators that show pricing differences among similar companies. Next is quality. This would reflect the strength and sustainability of a company's business model, including metrics such as cash flow, balance sheet robustness, earnings stability, and governance standards. Next is very interesting factor, sentiment. This would capture investor behavior and market perception through data such as fund flows, analyst commentary, and insights from earnings calls or social media. Last but not the least, fundamental momentum. This captures positive trends in a company's financials, like earnings or revenue, that either exceed expectations or show consistent improvement. The other key differentiator is that there is no exit load. Yes, you heard it right. No exit load in this fund, which means no amount will be deducted and you will get 100% of your investment value. To conclude, the fund certainly shows promise, leveraging advanced tools and a systematic approach for stock selection. However, as with any new fund, time will tell how effective it truly is. Don't miss out on the upcoming opportunities. Keep watching this space for more insights.